Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator, and today video I am excited to introduce you to SwifDoo PDF. It is a powerful and super easy to use tool that can completely transform the way you handle your PDF file. When it comes to comparison with other PDF tools like SwifDoo and also I Love PDF, believe me, SwifDoo PDF is amazing because it have a very perfect features when it comes to editing and also when it comes to additional options. So this tool is really powerful and amazing. So let me show you how you can use all the features of SwifDoo PDF. So simply search in a Google SwifDoo PDF and then click on the first option. So now you can see there is multiple options available over there, so you can simply download. So when you click on free download, so now you have this option. So you can see downloading is just started, and just few seconds it will get downloading, and then what you can do, you can simply install, and after installing, then you can simply upload the file that you are going to edit. So you can simply upload, and then you can see there is multiple options available over there. At the top panel there is some options like home, edit, views, annotate, and also convert. But below that, when you click from any option from above, then they will give you additional panel where you will be able to use all the features that will be associated with the options that you chose. For example, I am going to click here. So after uploading file, when I click on editing, so now you can see there is options that I can use, like I can insert text, replace, whiteout, and also I can add image, link, etc. So for example, when it comes to editing, you can see there is now options. I can edit the text, I can remove, and also I can add more information to this PDF. It's now editable. You can see how amazing these features are. So you can simply edit this PDF just like the Word file. But when I click on insert text, so you can see I can proceed it further with more editing. Beside that, when it comes to whiteout, so I will click here. Now you can see I can simply remove text from this PDF, so it will get removed from the file that you are using. For example, if I click here, now I am going to select all these information. Now you can see I simply remove all the text that I just selected. Let me use this again. For example, I want to remove this point. So look, I just simply remove this in just a few seconds. Beside that, when it comes to highlight, because this is the most important feature when it comes to PDF reader, because we use this highlight option when we are going to read a PDF file to highlight some important information in a PDF file. So you can do it from here. You can use different colors like to differentiate the highlighted information. And when it comes to highlighting, the most important thing is SwifDoo have a very dominant colors. So this tool is really good when it comes to comparison with others. Beside that, you can also highlight the whole area. For example, I click here on area highlight. So now I have option. I can write in this highlighted area, and also I can add picture here, and I can add a link here. And beside that, for example, if I have QR code that I want to add in a PDF file, so I can simply highlight area and then upload a QR code there. So also you can add a text box here, so where you can write. For example, if you have paper you want to solve, so you can write yes or no options here. Beside that, you can also underline some information that are important for you. When it comes to labeling, you can also use this tool for labeling, like for example, if you have file and you want to put some information here and you want to do some more labeling, so you can also do it from here. And you also have option of lines, shape. So these are also some information that you can use. And beside that, there is option of eraser. But the most important feature of SwifDoo PDF that I like is stamp option. If you click on stamp and you get back to your PDF, so you can, for example, add approved, reject, all these. So this is editable, so you can add stamp here and then you can add to your PDF. So basically you can do this if you are going to approve or reject the PDF. So this is really good feature for those who are working on an office. Beside that, when you click on convert from the top panel, now you have options where you can turn PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to image, so on. There is multiple options that you can use, and this is really very perfect features when it comes to a single tool that are giving to you. And you can simply save the file after doing all editing, so you can simply save it. And also there is option of print. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Have a good day. Thank you.